In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an e-commerce website in Odoo. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional online store ready to display your products and services to the world. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to set the stage by ensuring we have the necessary tools. Begin by logging into Odoo as an administrator. Once you're in, navigate to the Apps menu. Here you'll need to look for two key modules, Website and E-commerce. If you haven't installed them already, go ahead and do so. These two apps form the backbone of your e-commerce website, with the website app providing the framework and the e-commerce module enabling online store functionalities. With the apps installed, it's time to create your website. Head over to the website app and click on Go to Website. You'll be presented with a variety of themes. Take your time to explore these options, and when you're ready, choose one that aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Customization is key, so delve into the design aspects. Add your logo, which sets the tone for your brand identity. Input essential company information, select your brand colors, and design the menus that will guide your customers through your online store. This step is crucial as it ensures your website is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Now that your website's framework is in place, it's time to showcase what you're offering. Open up the Sales or website and navigate to the Products menu. Here, start by clicking New to begin adding your products. For each product, you'll need to fill in several details. Enter the product name, a catchy and informative description, and the price. Make sure to upload high-quality images, as these are essential in catching the attention of visitors. Don't forget to include inventory details to manage stock effectively. Lastly, activate the options Can Be Sold and Published on Website. This ensures that your products are visible and available for purchase. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, save the product. Repeat this for each item you plan to sell on your e-commerce site. With products set up, the next step involves organizing them into categories, making it simpler for customers to find what they're looking for. Navigate to the e-commerce section under Website and select Product Categories. Create various categories that are relevant to your offerings, such as electronics, clothing, or books. Once your categories are established, assign each product to its suitable category. This streamlined categorization helps enhance the shopping experience by making it easy for users to browse through related products. And there you have it. Your e-commerce website in Odoo is ready to go live. You've set up the website infrastructure, designed an appealing storefront, listed your products, and categorized them effectively. This comprehensive process ensures that your online store runs smoothly, attracting and engaging customers from the outset. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.